Shoot it.
That's my goal.
Who's your goalie?
Eli's my goalie.
Kind of hard on the grass. Hey, watch out, dude. You gonna be the goalie? Hey, don't knock him down. Leave him right there. Okay, Laundry's goalie. Oh!
Da-na-na-na. Hey!
What happened, Cyrus? What happened to the goalie?
Fresno,
Hey,
goal!
don't mess your gloves up like that. Yeah.
What's wrong, Alon? What's wrong, buddy?
Hey, Eli, what are you doing? Put the goal back. It's too hard for us.
Aw. Hey, buddy, what's wrong? You not getting the ball enough? Come on, let's try some more. Come on.
Whoa.
We'll let you play some more.
Score!
Okay. Do you want to be a goalie? Yeah? No? Do you want Miz to be a goalie for a little bit? Okay.
Miz, you're goalie for a little bit.
Do you want to be a goalie for a little bit?
We'll trade off, okay?
Okay, come on.
Come on, Alon. Me
Come
and you
on.
play together.
Go,
Hurry up,
Alon.
Alon.
Cyrus, you going that side.
Come on,
Yeah,
buddy,
you're
you can
going
do
that side.
it.
That's your goal.
Come on, buddy, you can do it. Here.
Here. Come on, Alon.
Come
Hurry up.
on.
Look at, hey, Miz is goalie. It's me and you. Come on.
Come on, buddy. You can score a
Hurry up.
goal. I bet you can.
Here.
Come on.
Let Alon try to get it. There it is. Get it. You got to shoot it.
Come
at
on,
Cyrus.
hurry,
You
hurry.
got to shoot it at mids.
You better get a goal.
Hurry up, score on you.
Da-na-na-na. Hey, let's do it.
Okay, go score on him.
Woo. Come on, buddy. Oh,
Pass it, Miz.
almost.
Okay. Get Eli. Oh, come over here. Oh. Oh, Cyrus. We got one. Okay, try to score.